Hello, I'm Isabella Caballero. I am part of the prevention team at the CARE office, and my pronouns are she, her, and hers. I am a third-year public health major with a psychology minor.
Hello, my name is Alicia Rodriguez. I am part of the prevention team at the CARE office. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I am a third-year psychology major.
Today we are going to be discussing how to have safe sex during quarantine. When we say safe sex, we now need to think further than condoms, birth control, and other traditional safe sex practices, but also how to avoid exposing ourselves to COVID-19. Before we begin, keep in mind that this virus can be spread through coughing, sneezing, direct touch, saliva, fecal matter, and mucus, and it has not been found in semen or vaginal fluid from what we know so far.
One of the questions that have been asked while in quarantine is, can you have sex? And the answer is yes. You are allowed to have sex during quarantine. While COVID-19 can be spread through close contact, let's remember that if you're having sex, the only way that one can get COVID-19 is if you and your partner are breathing heavily and kissing each other. COVID-19 is not transmitted genitally, but it can be spread if you and your partner are in close proximity to one another, as mentioned before. The best way to not be breathing onto each other or having mouth to mouth contact is by putting on a mask or finding other ways you and your partner can be intimate. Just remember to be safe, have condoms, and always make sure the other person is comfortable. And when done, wash your hands as well as any other toys that might have been used.
If you happen to live with your regular sex partner, it's important to be mindful of yours and their health. Also, take into consideration if they are part of a group that is more at risk for contracting the virus. Considering how COVID-19 is spread, kissing and rimming could expose you to the virus through saliva and fecal matter. The best way to reduce contact with fecal matter and saliva is investing in dental dams and condoms. I know we've heard this a million times lately, but it's super important to wash up before and after having sex and washing your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water.
Now, what if you don't live with a sex partner? This might be one of the other safest ways that a person living alone might have to have sex during COVID-19. If you are a person who at times have someone come over to have sex, it would be best to not do that for a while due to the fact that the person is traveling and you don't know who else around them might have had COVID-19 or if the person themselves have it. So if you're living alone, your alternative might be video chatting, sexting, or going into chat rooms where both individuals are not sharing any contact or fluids with one another.
Your number one and safest sex partner is yourself. Remember to wash your hands before and after having sex always, keeping your sex toys clean, and wiping down any screens, keyboard, or anything else that you may have come in contact with during video chat, sexting, or watching pornography.
We hope that with this presentation you are able to practice these safe tips that we provided. And as always, we want to remind you that in case of any issues or you need to speak to someone, you can call and text our campus advocate, or you can call the Valley Crisis Center 24-hour hotline at the numbers listed above. If it is a life-threatening emergency, then please call 911 or the campus police department. For more information on the CARE office, and if you want to outreach to us, you can email us at ucmcare@ucmerced.edu. You can also follow our social media pages where we post events and any live stream videos that we might be doing throughout the weeks. Thank you, and remember, keep calm, wash your hands, and stay safe.